Post-precipitation is a process of removing impurities from the precipitate after its formation in gravimetric analysis. It involves adding a small amount of the precipitating agent to the filtrate to ensure that no analyte remains in the solution. The precipitate is then washed and dried before weighing. Post-precipitation can improve the accuracy and precision of the gravimetric analysis by reducing the solubility and contamination of the precipitate. Here are some factors and considerations related to post-precipitation in gravimetric titrations. 1. Oversaturation of the solution. If the solution is oversaturated with the precipitating reagent, it may lead to the continuous formation of additional precipitates even after the primary precipitation is complete. 2. Slow precipitation rates. Slow precipitation rates can contribute to post-precipitation. Rapid stirring or the use of a precipitation aid, e.g. adding a small amount of a second reagent to assist in precipitation. 3. pH changes. Changes in pH after the primary precipitation can cause additional precipitation or redissolution of the precipitate. Monitoring and maintaining the pH at the appropriate level throughout the analysis are essential. 4. Temperature effects. Changes in temperature can influence the solubility of the precipitate.